Okay friends, now it's time to put together my collage. So I've got my cat, I've got my background, and I've got some flowers. Next thing I need to do is cut out my flowers. Okay, I've got my cat and my flowers. So what I'm going to do is move everything around, find an arrangement I like, and then glue it down. And I want to make sure I put down my flowers first, then put my cat on top. I like how that looks, so I'm going to move my cat to the side and glue down my flowers. When I glue, it's dip, dip, wipe it on the lip, dot, dot, not a lot. And I put glue around the edges. I'm going to go all the way around the edge of each flower, maybe put a dot in the middle, then press it down. I'm going to go ahead and do that with all my flowers. Dip, dip, wipe it on the lip. Dot, dot, not a lot. I glue around the edges. Do I put glue in the middle? Nope, glue just goes around the edges. Maybe one little dot in the middle is okay. Then I press it down. I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of my flowers. Once all my flowers are glued down, I'm going to turn it over and rub the back of my paper. I can glue down my cat. Again, it's dip, dip, wipe it on the lip. Dot, dot, not a lot. I glue around the edges. Do I put glue in the middle? No, I do not. I know I keep asking you this. But I want to make sure that we are gluing all the way around the edges, because that is what's going to make sure that your papers stay glued together. On your tail, you might not be able to do the edges, so you can just do the whole tail. But for the rest of your cat, remember, glue around the edges. Then you're going to press it down, turn it over, and rub the back. And that's going to help your papers stick together. Now we get to do the really fun part, which is paint the cat. The first thing I'm going to do is paint my cat's face. So I'm just going to paint a circle like this. Then I'm going to leave some space for eyes like this. And a space for a nose. Then I'm going to fill in the rest with white paint. I'm going to take my time and go slow here. And then I'm going to paint my cat's bones. So I'm going to start with my cat's spine. That's going to go in the middle. Then I'm going to paint my cat's rib cage. So I'm going to paint some longish lines that get a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to paint my cat's vertebrae in the spine. And those are just going to be some short little lines. Next, I'm going to paint my cat's arms. Cats have 3 bones in each arm. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines. Again, 1, 2, 3 lines. Then to make them look like bones, I can add short little lines like this. And if you want, you can even draw a little circle down at the bottom and make some little kitty paws. So just short little lines like this on those 3 arm bones. And then some cute little kitty paws at the bottom. Then finally for the tail, I'm just going to draw a bunch of short little bones with my paintbrush. Because a cat's tail is made up of a whole lot of bones. Then for my ear, if you want, you can just add some cute little dots. Since a cat's ear is made up of cartilage rather than bone. Alright, there we have it, my finished Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead cat. Now it's your turn. Have fun, amazing artists.